In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up SMTP on your account. Setting up SMTP allows you to send emails to your contacts. To set this up, go to Settings and click Email under the Channels tab. Select your email provider. Input your email address and password and click Continue. We strongly recommend you use app password when connecting SMTP. To generate app password on your email account, you need to look up Google how to generate app password on your email service provider. Once you've generated the app password, use the app password on SMTP setting instead of your normal email account's password. If you are using a custom email such as johndoe@domain.com, you need to input your host and your port number. Once you are done, click on Continue. Now you can send email to your contacts. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.